Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. Happy Monday to all of you. So, some big announcements to make today. If you guys have noticed up in the top right corner, wait for it to pop up. Yes, I am now a member of Little Critters team, run by Scales, a sweet bean. So here's hoping what new adventures await during my time with this group of like-minded folks, everyone looking to grow, make new connections. So we'll wait and see what happens, but it is day 5 of the new year. And let's just say it's already been a year. I kid, but also, Hand to Nose, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Mythic Garden. Which I believe he is also another new member of the Little Critters team. And from my understanding, another Griff like me. So still waiting for the party game Lunars to release. Another beta is happening this weekend. Although I don't have plans to do a stream on Friday. I'm sure some of you already know what my plans are for Friday stream this week. But next week for sure, I'll be doing more Lunars. I'm very excited to get back to playing that again up until it fully releases, which I'm looking forward to. But I hope you're having a good Monday. Hunter knows a sweet bird. All birds are very sweet and cute. All feathery as well. Like me. What we've got planned today, gonna be jumping into some Monster Hunter stories. Part of my shift to doing more single player games. But I did want to talk about Friday's stream. As much as I understand it was a quieter stream, I know Fridays tend to be quite busy for a lot of people, but I have found myself very enthralled with Final Fantasy XVI. It has certainly been a blast to play, even though I'm just starting out. Also, why is the music so loud? Let me fix that. OBS be very finicky. Oh, blah blah. But yes, we are just gonna jump right in. We're not gonna hunt the monsters, we're gonna befriend them. Because, I mean, who doesn't want to befriend nice, big, hulking monsters? Which, to my understanding, there is a third game, a third Monster Hunter Stories game coming out later this year. So that should be interesting to hopefully get to play on stream when it comes out. But yes, I think I'm gonna enjoy my time in the Little Critters team. There's already a handful of people in that group that I already know. And a bunch of new faces as well. Well, you just hopped into the game right now. Ready to get started. Just gonna ensure that the game audio is not too loud for everyone. Blah blah blah. So unfortunately, I had I made a promise with my partner that I wasn't gonna, you know, blame myself or accuse something as being my fault for the whole month, and unfortunately that didn't last too long because that just so happened to be the case today. I mean, I can't really help it. It's when you've lived as long as I have and dealt with all that trauma and negativity, it is hard to really just, you know, change things around. Go from like you know, not being pleased with how you behave and start, you know, loving yourself. That's what everyone says. But we will get started.
When darkness is born and black dread spreads with fright, the Savior we seek shall respond to our cries. Astride a white dragon they'll take to the skies. Then blight will recede and the light will live on. With rider of monsters, and champion of bonds.
Maybe they should have called this game Monster Riders, not Monster Hunter.
Hey, you two! Over here!
Lilia, you know we're not supposed to be here.
I'm sure it was around here. I found a monster egg. You two do want to see a monster egg, right?
I guess.
Don't turn
Also, the cutscene is built to auto scroll, so that's not me.
I'm gonna be a rider next year.
There's no input from me.
Aren't afraid of anything.
Look at you jump. So, you're not scared, huh?
I'm not scared. I just tripped, okay? Huh? What's this?
Hey, come on, Slowpoke. Let's go find that egg. You're not afraid, right? Then prove it.
Okay, let's go.
That's the spirit. Let's split up and search. If you find the egg, whistle.
Just know that you'll always find me in VR chat.
We'll meet you there.
That game has been life-changing for me. Secret path. We haven't gotten to the character creator just yet, so we don't know what gender this person is. Our character is. What if they're non-binary? these types of games, these JRPGs, this this spin-off to Monster Hunter Stories has helped me get accustomed to this genre of games. And for that I'm grateful. Cause let's just say that after playing Monster Hunter for so long, it got to the point where it's like, how about instead of just killing the monsters, why don't we befriend them? And then along comes this game and it's like, it's everything I'd ever want. Also, when it comes to single-player games, I've always preferred the gameplay. Was never much into learning about a game's story, which is why I would often skip cutscenes or character dialogue for the most part. Although having to respect people who are who want to know about a game's story. It's like, as much as I want to skip the cutscenes, I know there's others who'd be interested in seeing it.
Look up there.
Skip. Eggs. Eggs.
Wow, it's so pretty.
I wonder what's inside.
I feel like I've seen it before in the Monsterpedia. Oh, let's hatch it and find out.
But we can't. Only a rider with a kinship stone can do that, right?
So let's become riders then.
Become riders? How are we supposed to do that?
Here, we'll do the rite of kinship ourselves.
Hmm.
First, hold up your kinship stone.
Let's do this, maybe.
These are just regular rocks.
Hey, pay attention. This is a sacred ritual. Be respectful.
Whatever you say.
Next, we formally introduce ourselves. Now, tell the egg your name.
What is my name? What is my name? I'm just gonna be square-shaped head, not. I don't roll that way. Such silly looking eyes. Red eyes like mine. Oh yeah, it's all coming together. Au revoir. Oopie.
Oh, sacred kinship stone, bind thyself to this young spirit. Rebirth is nigh. Now unleash your cry. No good, huh?
Well, it's not like it was the real ritual.
Look at this cutie patootie. Cutie patootie.
It's the king of the skies, a Rathalos!
Whoa! We really hatched the egg! Watch out! What's it doing?
Oh, Ratha thinks you're its mama, don't you, Ratha?
Ratha?
Ratha! Ratha the Rathalos!
Very original. But yeah, that is adorable. And there's certainly more to come. Sounds good to me.
Aw, little baby still can't fly properly.
He's pretty big for a baby, isn't he?
Hey! You little brats! You broke the rider's code and entered the forest? Punishments all around then.
What?
You're finally home, Cheval. I was so worried about you.
Mom, I'm really sorry.
You even caused trouble for Dan. Go and apologize to Chief Omna. You'll do that.
Dan?
Then come straight back for dinner. I'll be waiting
Who's
for you.
Dan?
What would you have done if a fully grown Rathalos had shown up? Hmm?
Oh, that's Dan.
Oh, just thinking about it sends chills Right. We're going to see Chief Omna. You three, follow me.
Well, the children are safe and sound. There's no point getting tightly wound.
So for those who don't know, this game originally came out back in 2017 on the Nintendo 3DS.
You say so, Chief.
Back then, there wasn't any full-on voice acting, but then the game got re-released on PC
If you break the code again,
and many other consoles
don't explain.
Yes, sir.
about a year and a half ago.
Thank you, Chief Omna.
Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho!
Now with full-on voice acting this time.
And yet, I cannot help but nod. What has happened is rather odd.
Yes. No one's bonded with a monster without a kinship stone before.
The kinship stone surely does its part. Bonds rider to monster, heart to heart. The purity of the child's soul resonates and makes them whole. Though still young, you have potential to become a rider most influential.
You've got potential. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Hey, don't go getting ahead of yourself.
Yes, sir. Huh?
And also from what I've heard, there was
Is it a monster?
an anime series based off this
We need
game.
to go.
A Nagakuga, my beloved.
The Nargacuga!
No, this is just a turf war.
He was just trying to protect us.
Mama. Why? Why did this happen?
1 year later. Cheval.
Oh, there you are. This is the day, huh? Your lifelong dream is coming true. You're going to do the rite of kinship and become a true rider, right? I still don't know what I want to do.
That silly grin of
I
mine.
don't really want to be a rider. There must be something only I can do. I'm gonna give it a bit more thought. Oh! Cheval! Congratulations, Cheval! With your kinship stone on your hand, you look like a real rider now. Sleepyhead here is about to undergo the rite of kinship now.
Yes, it'll be my turn next.
Won't you tell us?
Bonds? I don't believe in them anymore.
Cheval, wait! I wanted us all to celebrate you guys becoming riders together. We haven't talked much since the incident a year ago. If one of us is missing, it'll feel weird. Come on, it's gotta be all of us together. He's being so cold. Well, I guess it's time to go. Chief Omna is waiting for you in the Hall of Rites. I'm sure you're going to be a fantastic rider. I'll be with you every step of the way.
Sounds good to me. Oh, blah, blah.
Ah, there you are. Today's young
Honestly, these kinds of games are great.
a year on from that fateful day.
A JRPG that's also works as a creature collector.
Bonding with that Rathalos puts you amongst the
Although a
most
creature collector done right.
as a rider.
At least I think so.
Right stuff. Grow and learn and be super tough.
And be
But
super
there's
tough.
still a lot to do to make a rider out of you. The greatest riders never rest in their fight to be the best.
Like me, and I'll be there to help out whenever you need. You hear?
Also, I think that
But first,
that old man speaking in rhyme,
the rite of
that's a talent in and of
kinship.
itself.
For this, there is something you need to allow your potential to be freed. The rider's symbol, and ours alone. The bond forger. The kinship stone. By this stone, your hearts are bound. And with your monstie, kinship found.
Monstie. I thought of that. A monster who is your bestie. Get it?
Each stone is
I think it's cute.
one of a kind. Keep yours close to heart and mind.
Also, this game originally came out before World, so it doesn't have any monsters from
If
that game and beyond.
it'll be your monstie.
Now
Although the
hold
games that
by
come
your
after this do.
An egg will hatch, and a monstie be known. Now then, shall we? O sacred kinship stone. Ha! Show us your power! Di, ma, do, ka, si, pa, ye. rebirth is nigh. Unleash your cry.
On the socks, the edges started moving.
I'm a bit intrigued with there being normal humans and then other characters that clearly aren't.
A lively egg. It's really quite the powder keg.
What you'd often see in other fantasy games.
Oi! Don't just stand there! Get after that egg!
Bonk.
That really hurt. Hey! Who the heck are you? Oh,
Talking cat.
I'm forgetting my manners. I should introduce myself first, huh? I am a wandering feline hero. Name, Bending.
Oi! You messed up the ritual!
Sorry, I didn't mean to. I was just walking by and exactly then saw this exceptional egg.
So what you're saying is, you were hungry.
Heroes never get hungry.
Look, we're kind of doing a ceremony here. Get lost. Shoot! Shoot!
That's rude, dude. Just who do you think you're talking to, huh, pal?
That's quite a spine on this feline. Now what to do? May I leave it to you?
Yes, sir.
Marvelous. Now here's the deal. First of
My
all,
character just talked.
Food? For real? Aw, you're the best! Sweet! Then it's settled.
Who doesn't love tackle hugs? They're the best kind.
I've navigated all around the world, so I know lots of useful stuff. And since I'm so knowledgeable, call me Naviru.
Offer food and he pulls a complete 180.
You were in the middle of a ritual, right? I'll help you out.
It looks like this feline is here to stay. So, let's get the ritual back underway. Oh, sacred stone. Awaken!
Get flashbanged. And we're gonna create create absolute monstrosities doing it this way. Baby.
Oh, this deserves congratulation, and maybe even a standing ovation. You did well to form a kinship bond with this monster of whom you are so fond. Now you've a monstie stood by your side. Care for it well, as is a rider's pride.
Riders forming kinship with monsters, a tradition older than time. And an old man who speaks only in rhyme. Now I'm doing it too.
I'm
Awesome.
finding this cat a little annoying.
Two. In any case, the ceremony isn't over just yet. A kinship kinship stone must be purified before it can reveal its
That
hidden
unfortunately sounds like he's gonna be
You have to
with
cleanse
me
the kinship
throughout the
stone
whole
in
game.
waterfall at the Mount Pondry Caves. If you can't pass this trial, you won't be allowed to complete the ceremony. So, kiddo, will you accept this challenge?
All right!
That's the correct answer! Awesome! Come to the village gate when you've made your preparations.
I still have a lingering cough. Fat cat.
What do you think? What do you think?
Maybe I can just pick this one so I don't have to look at that ugly face again. At least this one's got power. Oh yeah, I can't ride him just yet. Whoopsie.
Check it. There's a helpless Aptonaut just over there. Go get him, Tiger!
Let's get this show on the road, buddy. Feel free to ask if you...
Fight.
Yep. Nice.
Quest complete.
Well, well.
Yeah, I know that. I'm a little clueless right now. As you can probably tell.
We're going after Velociprey next, huh? Anything?
Battle's basically set up like rock, paper, scissors. Oh, blah, blah. You did it.
This is as far as I can take you. You gotta handle the
Where's
rest
that
on
deer
your own.
going?
Just get to the Room of Trials and purify your kinship stone. Easy, right? Oh, one more thing. I'll teach you this awesome skill I know. It's called Cheer. Riders can learn all kinds of nifty skills. I know you're not officially riders yet, but you might want to try using Cheer to get used to how skills work. Okay, be careful in there. I'll see you back at the village, kiddo. This is the last part of the ritual. Then, you'll be a full-fledged rider. Good luck!
Where's that deer going? Nowhere. That one's doing the same thing. Just like normal Monster Hunter. Run around, collecting stuff you can find. It's funny, whenever I see that happen, I always envision them bonking heads, which would be painful. Very much so. Should be painful. Hey, weren't there two of them? Oh, blah, blah. Oh, never mind. There were still two. But for some reason we couldn't fight them both. How odd of this game. How odd. I have been wanting to look into finding more party games to play. Because I think once I do more of Lunars, definitely gonna be something that will be fun to do. Especially with others. If people are into those kind of games. Wonder how many people I can convince to come play Lunars with me. If I've ever thought about doing a stream collab, it'd have to be a game that I would consider fun. A Poogie. Yeah, usually if I come across an enemy that I fighting for the first time, I just choose one and hope for the best. I'm either gonna get it right or I'm gonna get it incorrect. Back attack. Let's do it. Keep your eyes on me. I'm the stealth master now. Teamwork makes the dream work. Wait, no, I just said that. Shouldn't be copying me like that. Life suit. Yeah, I do find people say a lot of things. Whether or not it's helpful is usually up to me.
This is it. This is the sacred spring. All right, put the stone in.
I thought this game was already anime enough. But now the cat just looks even more anime.
Awesome! Now you're a 100% fully certified real-life rider. Come on, buddy. Let's head back to the village. Adventure awaits. Ride on!
Rarity 2 Monsties. Alright. Also, I believe another ad break should be coming up shortly.
I can feel a weird presence around here. It's coming at us with everything it's got. We can't go back to the village until we've dealt with this monster, buddy.
Ouch. My monster's saying saddle up. Just need a quick drink.
glad you defended
Welcome
me.
back, everyone.
Did it get your whiskers twitching? And, yeah, I guess you were pretty cool too. Maybe. We'd better head back and check in at the village. Yeah!
As I play through more of this game, you'll understand my hatred for the the talking cat. The next day, just like a SpongeBob time card.
Ah, young rider, you are so bold. Tales of your deeds have begun to be told. Danger's no more, it's all down to you. The village is safe, that much is true. I accept my thanks for all you've done, the risk you took, the battle you won. And so to you, this notice I give. From this day forth, as a rider you live. Now nurture well this monster egg. Grow big and strong. Go on, break a leg. But a monster's life from nature's view,
But not in the literal
is what
sense.
sustains us, me and you.
But not in the literal.
Have you walked among the rolling hills and stopped to sniff the daffodils? Industrious bugs of every sort are to these flowers by duty brought. The nectar that they gather there is then with others quickly shared. Upon these creatures we rely. Our need of them we can't deny. Flowers, bugs, and other creatures, remember well what this will teach us. Within this cycle we have our place and must accept it with all due grace. And for every life show gratitude.
What happens when he ends one of his lines with orange?
Proper attitude. That's why to you I must implore, never forget love and a more.
Wait, love and amour? They mean the same thing. Son of a baggy. I think I know why Dan hates poetry now.
Well, now the other
Ho, ho.
the characters in game are starting to become aware.
He has prepared all that you need to be a rider in name and deed. So give it your best and do us proud. With kinship, with monsties you're endowed. Ah,
Oh, hey! I heard you chased off a Nargacuga. Keeping yourself busy, I see. I can still only see you as a crybaby. But now you're a rider and saving the village to boot. That's amazing. Congratulations! I'm so happy for you. Oh, I'm in charge of cooking today, so I'll make
As
you
much as I'm
something
eager to want to
special.
get the third Monster Hunter Stories game,
Sir,
it's one of those games that has to cost close to $100 here.
Special Agent Minutes.
Things are getting more expensive, it's crazy.
And my name is Naviru.
Special Agent Nabiru? Sir Nabikins? Nabby? That one's nice and short.
It's Naviru.
Oh, okay. I'm Lilia. Nice to meet you, Nabiru.
Oh, we might as well get used to it.
Villagers have requested
I
you.
mean,
You can view details at the
everyone's
festival.
called me a bunch of different names.
Okay?
Some very different than my own. Thank you, come again. So I know I've been using a great sword, but I think I'm leaning towards the sword and shield as a slashing type weapon. Not as complicated, more straightforward. Oh, I guess we gotta start hunting these poogies. Encyclopedia. I love it. So basically, for every 10 poogies we find, we get a reward. Sounds lovely.
Good job, kid. You did awesome. Didn't think we'd bump into a Nargacuga, though. But hey, you made it through the trials. I'm calling that a win. I knew you could do it, kiddo. Now, next thing on our to-do list. Gotta show you the stables. And here it is. You look after your monsties here. And you can hatch eggs you found. That way you can get more monsties. Although it's
More
not
friends.
that easy to get eggs. First you have to find a monster den. But your first one's on me. I woke up super early and found a likely spot. Check out your map. It'll show you where to go. It's not exactly close though. Oh hey, try riding your monstie there. Well, well.
That would definitely come in handy. That's for sure. We've got several side quests available. Several. One thing I've always loved about the Monster Hunter series as a whole is just how relaxing the music is. Although sometimes it can be a little epic. monkey. Now we can ride our monstie. That was all just a tutorial. I had just simply forgotten. I had just simply forgotten. We're going on an adventure. That's one quest item. That's two. Into the monster den we go. Yeah, in this game, the question is, do you want to skip all the enemy encounters or do them all? If you do them all, then you'll be at just the right level to make things easier. But if you want to skip all the battles, then, well, good luck. And you won't be at a high enough level. Can I just say a lot of monsters in this series are my beloved. Also, hello Trashy Rack, thank you for the follow, welcome to the Mythic Garden, Sweet Bean, and a very happy Monday to you. I'm out here hunting monsters, not to kill them, but to befriend them. No, yeah, apparently, you can't linger too long in these dens. Oh, why thank you. It is the Razgriff, an avatar that I immediately fell in love with the first time I saw it. I'll just take this one. What are they teaching their kids in this world? That stealing eggs is acceptable? Make like a tree and leave. Make like a tree. I do remember that time months ago where a few people were watching the Back to the Future trilogy, and it was fun. Those movies are classics. Now we've got a monster to hunt down. Yeah, this basically is turn-based gameplay. Although it's different in that, yeah, it's like a rock, paper, scissors format. So when it comes to, finding monsters that you haven't fought for the first time, you don't know which one they're gonna use in return. So it's like, you're either gonna use one that's either gonna hurt you or hurt them. Also, yes, I know I just said that. There's also little mini games as well during the battle, such as repeatedly pressing a button, or, as you'll find out later in the game, others as well. Quest complete. Making our way back home after we took a beating.
Well, well.
Awesome sauce. That was easy. Fanged beast egg. I'm on it. You wanna know the one thing I always love is when people say, don't be a stranger. It's probably my favorite quote of all time. People say, "Don't be a stranger." Look at all this sushi. Well, not necessarily quote, more like a saying. I believe I have just what you need. God, there's a weird ass angle. I don't even know where I'm looking. Can't really do much with the praying part other than just pray.
Oh, young one, sharp as a knife. You've adapted well to the rider life. Time has come to share with you news that's bleak but sadly true. I'm talking of the fell black blight, the spreading darkness, endless night.
Yeah, I know. It's that black stuff that was all over that Nargacuga.
You've got it right. It's sad, you know. It's been around since long ago. The black blight's goal is to infest, spreading o'er monsters like a pest.
What?
Just know that I may or may not share an episode of the anime based off this game.
The one we wish were gone.
People who are curious to see.
Much like the breeze. But this does more than shake the trees. This time, though, I'm filled with dread by the black light's incessant spread.
Incessant spread?
Eternal night, endless gloom. This world could even meet its doom.
What?
All's not lost. No need to mope. We've still a chance. There is still hope.
No moping.
Kinship Stone commands the might to purify this foul black light.
Moping is not allowed here.
The Kinship Stone you hold must be filled with a power untold. What you can do, though the
You-
ask is,
What kind of face is that?
is forge bonds with your monster's deed. As these bonds deepen by the hour, your Kinship Stone will grow in power. I shall remain in watchful care of the black blight, so don't despair.
Is that like a mixture of
Anything new,
like a
get message.
jumble of happy, scared, and angry all at once?
Training awaits. So go, head back to the village gates.
Well, well. Well, well.
Now let's combine. And I need more blue mushrooms. Here I thought I had enough. Here I thought I had enough. Here I thought
Huh. I hear you should have made sure and finished it off. I heard something from the chief. Monsters tainted by the Black Blight will spread it to their surroundings. Plants will wither, the earth will decay. Eventually, the blight will be everywhere. Monsters tainted by the Black Blight must be destroyed. Don't forget what happened last year.
Wonder if there's anyone here who remembers Good Burger. Good old classic 90s Nickelodeon. And by that I mean the movie, not the sketch.
Now's our chance!
That's 1. And that's 2. Got all we need. Oh, there's a gold monster den. Let's see what's in here. There's a gold. A rare monster den. There's a gold. Yeah, he wasn't so tough. So Un bobois. Oh, jeez. Why are you all targeting me? That's not fair. That's not fair. Why are you all targeting me? That's not What? Ah. Nice one, buddy. Nothing. Oh, I did that again, did I? Whoopsie. Hermit crabs. This is probably one of those games that you'll occasionally see me play in the coming weeks, although I might do some of it off stream. So if I finish somewhere, then the next time I do it I'm like in a different spot. That's probably because I did some of it off stream. I know it is a bit more slower paced now, but that's just simply because wanting to be better prepared for what's to come later. Because this is one of those games where if you if you don't get all the XP and level up, the game will punish you. And also those side quests are always good to do as well. is indeed a fanged beast egg. The one that I need. But I'll definitely come back later and get myself a stronger monstie. Yeah, basically there's monster dens scattered all around the area. The place where you can find eggs, hatch them, make new monstie friends. Although if you find a rare monster den, which is covered in gold plating, you can find eggs for monsties with better stats. Although from what I've learned before is that some monsties only appear in normal dens. Unfortunately. Excuse me. It's a bear. Oh, was I supposed to turn the quest in before I hatched it? Oops. So hop to it.
this village is not allowed to any rider, no matter how proud.
Wait, what? Why? But there's so much fun stuff outside.
This is because to other folk, kinship with
Not in this time of the year.
is but a joke. Other folk would be astounded at the life we have founded. Since ancient times we have with ease lived cheek to beak with our monsties. But there are those who fear our ways, and so we hide from their ill gaze. Separated by many a mile, we have preserved our own lifestyle.
But never leaving the village? That's a pretty strict rule.
To speak your mind you do incline. You are one very blunt feline. But rules are rules. The code's the code. Follow it now. You have been told. So now, rider, is that clear? Don't stray too far. But if you can see it from the gates, you can go there. No debates. So I say to you as your mentor, into the forest you must now enter. For recently, the forest's entry has gained the Azuros, that ursine brute has. So, I made the forest out of bounds, till it were to bud. It hasn't shown the slightest sign of so. Could you go give it a nudge to rid us of our ursine ills? Would be a fan, so this serves as the provider of your.
Looks like another ad break started.
Have you ever thought about what it's like outside the village? Riders can't leave, though, so I guess you won't be able to find out. I want to see the world. There's got to be something I can do out there.
If it's the outside world you want to know about, you can ask me anything. I've traveled everywhere and I've seen everything. Well, nearly everything. I'd never seen a rider before now. I always thought monsters were supposed to be hunted, not befriended. The outside world is full of hunters.
I've heard of them. They make a living by hunting monsters, right?
Yeah, they have these huge weapons and they're possumly muscular.
Wow. I want to meet one someday. I'm getting excited just thinking about it.
You'll have to go to Gilda Garen then. There are loads of hunters there. It's so bustling, it's like a festival.
Sounds like it would be really easy to get lost there.
Leave it to me. I can navigate anything. You too, eh, buddy? You want to see the world outside this...
But you're a rider. The rider's code, remember? You're not allowed to.
Yeah, come on. I bet even I bet he'll let you leave if you become a
Oh,
possible
boy.
accomplished rider. And then I'll show you the way. Leave it to renowned navigator, Naviroo.
Navigator Navaroo. Now I need to find another fanged beast egg to complete that sub-quest that I so mistakenly hatched the egg before I could show it. Hello, Para the Demon. Welcome on in. Happy Monday. And thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Mythic Garden, cutie. We out here befriending monsters. With a little hunting on the side too. I know. I get told that a lot. Oh, blah blah. I get told that. I know this game has online features, but it's not as active as people as I'd like, so I treat it more as a single player game. Also still dealing with a cough. It's been almost a month. Why are they all targeting me again? Why are they all targeting me? Let's ride. Oh, we pulled the Uno reverse card on me. You little sneak. Not today. Wah. Sweet, tasty honey. Yeah, I'll just kill you by bonking you with my head. Steel demon. I need that honey to make mega potions later on. Okay, I think he's dead after that. How was it damaged? How was it? That's the strangest looking bear I've ever seen. We did it.
Yeah? Looks like it's withered or moldy or something.
Be careful! Do not touch that!
Yeah! You totally didn't surprise me at all. Who are you?
It would indeed appear that the black grass has spread this far, and there is an evil on the wind. I can only infer that the darkness draws near. You there! Stay clear of the forest until we conclude our investigation.
Man, I always live for moments of getting to interact with others.
Forest, right?
Bouncing words between each other. The best feeling in the world.
That's for sure. She mentioned the black grass.
Black grass?
Yeah, something about it spreading.
She was talking about the Black Blight. There are monsters that have been inflicted with the Blight too. I swear, I'll destroy all the infected monsters.
At least then I feel like I'm being noticed.
That's not what riders do. Remember what Chief Omna said? Riders form bonds with monsters. Think, what would your mother say? Cheval, this is a mistake. You know it.
Don't talk about my mother! I
Oh, he's
became a
pissed.
rider to destroy any who would hurt me or my family. Monsters are not our partners. They are our enemies. I can't forget. I won't forget. You think I'm in the wrong too, huh? No matter. I know my mind. We are different, you and I.
Cheval!
Lilia! Son of a baggie! What should we do now? That's right! We should go
And he sounded genuinely pissed. Alright, now let's go turn in this quest. Oh, we make quite the team. You saw nothing. I haven't seen any more gold monster dens yet.
Is he? Where's he gone? Isn't his nickname Cheval the Scaredy Gargoyle? Cheval, come back! Cheval!
Just straight up chasing him all because it's like, I haven't finished what I said yet. How dare you interrupt me when I'm talking? Or just desert me. There's no such thing as too much items. That is for sure. Oh, blah, blah. Time to give these monsters a nice little stab on the back. A good old pat / stab in the back. You hear me? I know I'm weird. And a bit of a goof.
Cheval. Stay away!
Oh good, I get a nice view of your crotch. How lovely. Well, I messed that up. Not that it really matters. Those mini games you do in the middle of battles is the reason why I play this with a controller. It's just that much easier.
Thank you.
What's wrong, Lilia?
She has been poisoned by an Aya prey. There is no time to waste.
Yeah! I nearly jumped out of my fur! It's the mysterious lady again!
Drink this down in a single draft. It is an antidote to what ails you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Who exactly are...
Oh, hi! Captain, found you. What are you up to over here?
Captain?
Learning new stuff every day.
Captain? Is that related to the Royal Scriveners by any chance?
That it is. The Scriveners fall under my command. My name is Captain Simone.
I've only ever heard rumors of the Scriveners, but what I really want to know is, why have you come to our village?
Oh, hi! Let me explain, Captain. We, the Scriveners, are investigating changes in the environment. Oh, I forgot to say, the name's Pappin. What's up? But you can
What's
call
up?
me VC Pappy.
This guy's one bean short of a pop hat.
Blackgrass. Rampaging monsters. What do you know of this corruption?
The Black Blight? A terrible fright. Nature's really gone haywire. A visit from the Scriveners?
Yes, you are indeed correct, curious rhyming man.
Excuse me, Miss Simone. Thank you for saving me.
No need to thank me. I am just glad I got to see you recover before I leave.
It's just... Could you take me with you?
What? Why?
I want to know about the Black Blight. Please let me join your investigation.
Are you sure you aren't still poisoned, Lilia? You're making no sense. Omna sucks. First Cheval left the village, and now you want to go too? Do the Scriveners even accept outsiders anyway?
I refuse. We do not accept those who do not truly have the heart for it.
But I do have the heart for it. I want to know more. More about the world outside our village. I've been waiting my whole life for this. I want to help my friends. Everyone.
Cut it out! Saying ridiculous things is not cool. Not cool at all.
I shall allow it.
What? Why?
It seems this was preordained. You will be an apprentice at first. Understood?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Can everybody just chill out for a minute? Chief, aren't you gonna stop them?
Time does not wait. You cannot stop the path of fate.
What? Why?
This girl has chosen
He does have a
not to be
point.
a rider. Find her own path. Let's not confine
Take this. It's my Monsterpedia. Don't forget me. We used to spend hours and hours leafing through it together because you and Cheval loved monsters so much. Remember? Look after yourself. Eat well and grow strong. You'll become a first-class rider. I know it.
Yeah. Goodbyes are always so sudden.
You
can
tell me.
buddy. I haven't got a handkerchief though. But you may comfort yourself upon my fluffy fur. Yeah.
Man, time moves so fast in this village. Are we gonna fight? Throw hands? Sounds good to me. Yeah, I know, I messed up again. I do think it's rather silly that sometimes an attacking move comes before using an item.
Well, well. Well, well.
Still need to get myself a Yawn Kutku as a monster. What? Wait, you mean he was running away from me? Also, this doesn't look like a monster den. Looks like a monster mansion. Just need to give them a good old bap on the snoot. Guess we're gonna have to go killing again. Man, we are just in perfect harmony. You gotta love it. Man, I'm not having much luck with these eggs, are I? Also, yes, that was a slip of the tongue. Was thinking of one thing, but my voice said another.
Yeah? What's going on with that stand over there?
Meow, 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 me.
Meow, 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 meow? What's got your fur in a knot?
I'm a catavan driver. Today, I was just driving along as a Yan Cuckoo appeared. Made me jump, then it broke my perfect. I can't work in these conditions. I'm exhausted.
Pull yourself
Exhausted.
together, kitty.
My catavan. It's missing a wheel now. Oh,
Those
such
dang cat puns.
perfection. The clawful Yan Cuckoo stole my wheel and ran off. And this Yan Cuckoo it lives over there on the opposite. Please be careful.
You really need to pull yourself together. On the opposite shore of the lake. Let's make like...
Yeah, I can spot him way in the distance. He's flying. We're going fishing. And I've not been having much luck getting the right fish. Oh, did I go the wrong way? Whoopsie. Yes, I did. Just go and fix that. Gonna go find another monster den and see if I have better luck. Finding a different egg. Where do I keep my monsters? They just suddenly appear out of thin air. Like magic. Also, I'm just gonna take a quick drink. And welcome back, everyone. Lately, I've been noticing people using a platform called Joystick for streaming. There certainly has been more places to stream, although I'm curious to know why people would choose one place over another. Especially since I was just briefly on the homepage for Joystick and it was filled with butts. It seems to be a platform that's more catered to the lewd side. it is rather odd. Although I have found it hard to pick the brains of everyone. And there is another place called Kick that I've seen some people use. Although considering the history behind that platform, it doesn't feel like it's a very safe platform. Not the safest in terms of sharing your fictional identity on the interwebs. And I already deal with enough hate as is. Oh, that didn't take too long. I got all I needed and then some.
That monster up ahead must be the one they call the veteran. Regular Yon are pretty timid. This one struts around like it's not gonna let us just walk away now. Stay on your paw pad, buddy.
It's a chicken. I ain't paying you to choose the wrong moves. them right in the derriere. My apologies if I've been more quiet than usual. This is a game where I truly have to focus, so... And also with a lot of other things happening. I was trying to sneak up on it, but then I got stopped. Just gonna tuck you into bed for good. Yes. That's what we came here for. Also, I just remembered I went the wrong way. I derped again. Although, now that I mention it, I think the reason I came all the way back here was to hatch those eggs. Also, why does he talk like that? That's so strange. Why does he talk like that? Baby. What do you guys think a baby Rookie would look like? Yes, I need to go back out here and go where I'm supposed to go. I see a gold den over there. Marcus.
Meow! Thanks for helping me out. Just jump on, and I'll take you anywhere you want to go.
Yeah! He seems really spoked.
I know. I'll take you back to the village.
Wheelie spoke.
Get a move on. Getting ready to deep hurt.
Deep hurt. Oh, that's not what I wanted.
Well, well.
Yeah, nice talking to you. Nice talk.
Welcome, child. Long time no see. I hear Dan has taught you a trick or three. Ah, how the seasons have flown past. You've become a rider so very fast. Now, young one, lend me your ear. Black mists been seen close to here, and thus we would like to know: is this the so-called Black Blight, or no? From this evil, nothing is spared. For if changes in nature may start small, slowly, but with a plant or stone, keep an eye out for where the blight is born.
Wah. See who we talking to next.
Everybody seems worried. Shouldn't we try and do something to help?
And just what are you two up to? You may go into the forest, but you are not to enter the Forbidden Land. If this so-called Black Mist is actually the Black Blight, then there'll most likely be a blighted monster nearby too. If we're unable to chase it away, disaster may once again fall upon the village. I shall be the one to go and investigate. You and Sir Fluffykins just wait here. Got it? Got it?
Sir Fluffy? Well, what should we do, buddy? Just wait for Dan to come back? Another horribly fur-raising monster may appear again. Huh?
No, let's be heroes
That's my buddy.
and save the day.
Come around. If we prove ourselves as writers, maybe we'll be able to see this is our chance. It's a deal. I was just thinking about leaving for my next adventure. All right, let's shake a paw, get there before Dan, and do our writer stuff. Right, okay, preparations. You get the equipment and, I'll get the donuts. All right, I've got my donuts. Let's roll.
Yes, we can't go and fight on an empty stomach. Although, unfortunately, I think I'm probably gonna end the stream here. There's definitely more to this game than what you've seen, and I'll definitely continue playing this game off stream and on stream. But I do hope you all enjoyed the stream, and I appreciate those that have come by to watch. Sorry, just finishing some stuff up in game. Au revoir. Okay, now we're good. Gonna go see if we can find someone to raid out to. I think I've known someone we might raid out to. I think of someone that I have not raided to in like ever. As always, there's the raid message if you want to copy and paste that. We're gonna go pay a visit to Pip and Dip. Who is doing some Minecraft. Never was into Minecraft, but always like to pay friends a visit. Let's do it. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your Monday, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for some Warframe action.